Welcome back to My Artful Soul with Victoria. Thank you for being with me. Today we're working on page tabs. The page tabs can be any paper you'd like, anything you want to use to do it. A really great way to get creative and use whatever you have. For this, you will need some type of paper, maybe envelopes. I'm using book page, music pages, an envelope I used, some scrapbook paper, glue, a hole punch if you'd like, and just some little decoration ephemera. Now, when I started, I've said this before, when I started, I only had magazine pages and some paper. I had some paper, but I didn't have any of this. So I keep saying, I'm not buying anything else. I don't need anything else. But then I see something someone's using and I have to try it. But I love all the little tools involved in this. But you don't really need all of it. You could just use an envelope, a picture of a rose to make a page corner. So have fun with it. And of course, I've said this before too. If you let people know around you what you're doing and just see if they have any old lace, see if they have any old paper books, any books with old paper, or just some old magazines. And one thing that I really would love for everyone to have, because I love it so much, is my butterfly punch. So with the butterfly punch, you just punch out little butterflies and you can attach them to your tags, attach them to your sides of pages, but you can see how sweet that is. This is just a butterfly punch on the navy blue paper, and then on the other side of the tab, I put the other blue paper. So when you close it, that shows through. And we can do that. We can certainly do that. So I have all my little butterflies punched out. But the way to do that one is we punch out the butterfly, save the butterfly. Goes in my little butterfly box. And then we just put a different piece of paper inside. So let's use this. So we just glue a piece here. This is just a regular tacky glue I'm using. I like this bottle because it's softer. I forgot what you call these. I ordered these for my friend too. Oh, she's going to see this before her birthday. Well, her birthday already passed, but we didn't get together yet. Hold on, my bottle's all stuck. Yes, I thought I was prepared, but never really prepared. Maybe I'll just try my tacky glue for now. Try the tacky glue. Just a little dot. This is why I would love to just do videos all day, but I prepare and then I think I mess things up. I make a big mess and I think, oh, who wants to watch that? Well, this is probably what happens when everybody tries something new. But having my glue unplugged is kind of a little thing that should always be done before the video. I just think I'm prepared and then I'm not. So there's our tab. And it would go like this. It could go on a page like this. And then maybe we could have something hanging off the side. I hope I can do this. I have trouble with these punches. Oh, look at me. Okay, so now we can put something on the side to dangle. Or, I don't know where I got these little hearts. If you gave them to me, let me know, because I did forget. It could be Marketplace, art supply scraps that people just kind of give away for next to nothing. If you need to build up your supplies, keep your eye on Marketplace, because I've gotten a bag of office supplies for $5 with, 5 staplers in it, and staples and rulers, and I mean a lot of supplies for $5, because I don't know, that person must have been cleaning out their employer's place over the years, but she did have tons. So that's a great place to look and find some things that you need. People seem to have lots of rubber stamps, and I love rubber stamps now. And you can color your heart, or just maybe color your tab with something. I love my chalks. This chalk is embarrassing to even show you. It's old. I need a new one, but look, there's plenty left. It lasts forever. So we're gonna put a little pink on it. Just a little pink on the black, which is not showing up at all. But I like it just the way it is, with the heart, dangly heart. Maybe that hole should have been out a little further. See what I mean? You have to keep experimenting. Just keep experimenting, playing around, have fun. That's what we're doing here. Just enjoy yourself and be happy. Love yourself, be happy, let your light shine. Okay, so this is what I'm using here is wallpaper. You've seen me use this a lot in my journals to make pockets. It's not very thick, but it's paper-like on the back, and it seems like fabric outside. But if you find something like this somewhere, I have a big roll, and I don't know if I'll ever use it all, but I use it for everything. So that's going to be a little tab. We'll make it just put a little Stampin' Ink on it. Almost amethyst Stampin' Ink. This may not be the way you think I should do this, but anyway, this is how I do it. And look at that. That's beautiful. See, that doesn't need a butterfly, doesn't need anything. Just beautiful. I'll keep it out just in case I find a little flower that color or something I could put on it. So there's a page tab. Page tabs can be used on the top of a page, the side of a page, like this, and the bottom of a card, bottom of a tag. So like this. This one is just some scrapbook paper cut with funny edge cutters. I don't know what you call those. Scissors, but there you have a jagged. Oh, what is the name of those? Okay, these. And I wish they would make these a little sturdier, because they will cut thicker paper, but it's not easy. I would like to have a nice sturdy couple of pairs of these. These are, I can't see the name of the company, but yeah, I like this style, but I don't like how flimsy they are. And I've broken a couple. So anyway, you can put that on the bottom, on the side, on the top, and just use your imagination. This one, I used the book page and just cut it. Cut the book page, and then I used the butterflies that I cut out. I keep those pieces too. So I keep this so that you can put that on a page. That looks just as nice as the punched out butterfly. You can do it like that. Looks very sweet. And then the, it doesn't matter what size. You can make them all the same size, measure out 2-inch page tabs, or all different sizes. I like all different sizes. And I like a matching corner cover with the tab. Doesn't have to be that way, but doesn't it look pretty? That's made from an envelope. So what we do is just cut the corner. And then we find a matching paper. It doesn't have to be a matching paper, just a beautiful paper that you like, that you love. Have fun with it. Okay, that needs to be smaller. So we're gluing that on. So yeah, I probably should just do my videos, make the mistakes, make a mess, and do my best. That's all we can do. Do our best, right? And like I always say, please just, if you have suggestions, if you're one of those people that have been doing this for years, I appreciate any suggestions you have. See, I love this tacky glue, but it's pretty thick. And I don't want to water it down because then I don't want my pages to be, all clumpy or lumpy. Okay, so see how beautiful. Look at that. And then we make the matching tab. We can make the matching tab with it. And we can do it with the same envelope because then we'll have the white paper. Cut the sides. See what I mean about these scissors? Do they have sturdy or what? Look at this. I ruined it. We're just going to cut the top off and pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Okay. There we go. So now our tab. To match our corner cover, use the same paper. So we just need a little piece. I'm going to use the top piece. Maybe these are just meant to be used with little thin papers, I guess. I do like them. I like the scallop edge. It does add interest. A little off, a little more off. Adds a little more interest. Very sweet. This is an envelope, so I want to make sure this is glued. And then we're putting our pink paper on top. Now this tacky glue, you really don't need much. It is really sticking. Okay. There we go. We'll use our Distress ink. I don't really like brown as much as I like black Distress ink, but for this light pink, I'll use a little brown. And when I use the Distress ink, I just use the makeup sponges. Some makeup sponges I use on it. It does the same thing as the dauber, and I think it's faster. So just a little Distress ink, a little inner corner, maybe the corner should have a back paper on it too. So we will cut this out. No, I'm not measuring. You could measure if you want it to be perfect. Maybe you should measure. But look at that. Just eyeballed it, and it's pretty perfect. Perfect enough for me. Okay, let's glue that on. Okay, my next video, I've been playing around with just some embellishment dresses. And I am really having fun with that. So I want to do that in my next video. I have a couple ready. And then after that will be my bird journal I'm working on. I love birds. I love bird books. I guess I didn't do that so perfect. So please like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the crazy fun here. Yeah, please just have fun with it. If you're a beginner, you're going to make a few mistakes. It doesn't matter. It's called Junk Journal, Art Journal, because you can do whatever you'd like. So there's our matching corner that goes with the tab. It's pretty. We could put something else on there, but that's good. So we have just an envelope paper, the book page, the scrapbook paper with the dangle, and then another one that we can decorate however we want to decorate it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this is the wallpaper. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.